start new chapter, chapter 7, geometry. First we will discuss definition of point. A point is a smallest shape in geometry. It is represented on paper by a dot. It has neither length nor breadth. So we will draw a dot and we will represent it by a capital letter A. So this is called point A. This is called point B. We can take any alphabet. This is point P. Now the tip of a needle or a drawing pin. This is a physical picture of point. A line has no beginning and no end. It has no end point. Now this is the line that I have drawn. I have given the name X and Y. This is line X, Y, and we will represent it as XY line like this. And these arrows, a line is represented as a double arrows. This side also, this side also, showing that these arrows are showing that it can be extended without limit in both the direction. It can be extended in this side also and this side also. So this is called line. And to name a line, any 2 points on the line are selected. So I have written X and Y by capital letters of English alphabet. So in this way we will represent the line. Now next is line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. It has 2 end points. This is the line segment and these are the 2 points, and these 2 points are end points. So we will represent it as A, B, and when we represented line AB, we will put bar on it. It has 2 end points. One is on A and one is on B. The length between the 2 points is limited. It cannot be increased or decreased. So it is called line segment. A ray is part of a line. It has one end point and goes endlessly in one direction. So this is the ray, one side arrow and one end point is there. A ray is represented by an arrowhead on one side arrowhead, and point on the other side. So we will represent it ray like this. So we will start with end point C, then we will write D. We will represent it as CD, ray CD. Now we can give an example of ray. The beam of a light coming out of a bulb can be compared to a rays. Relationship between point and lines. Now how many lines can be drawn through a point X? This is a point X. We can draw infinite number of lines passing through this point. We can draw like this, passing through this point. Infinite number of lines we can draw passing through this point. So these lines that passes through the same point, these lines are passes through only one point, that is point X. So lines that passes through the same point are known as concurrent lines. So these are concurrent lines. Definition of collinear points. Now what is the meaning of collinear point? If 3 or more points lie in a straight line, the points are said to be collinear point. Now point X, point Y, point Z. These 3 points are on same line. So it represents collinear points. If the points are like this, this is point X, this is Y and this is Z. These are not collinear because these are not on a same line. If we draw a line like this, then it is left. So The points which lie on a same line is called a collinear point. Non-collinear points. 3 points not lying in the same straight lines are called the non-collinear points. Now this is point A, this is point B, and this is C. These 3 points are not on the same line, that are on different line. A and B are on one line, C is on different line. So that points are called non-collinear points. Plane. A plane is a flat surface that goes on endlessly or extends indefinitely in all directions. This is a picture of plane. So it can be goes endlessly in all the directions. This I have put arrows in all the direction. So it that goes on endlessly or extends indefinitely in all directions. A plane is a collection of infinite number of points, and this is called, we can write the name also of this plane. So this is plane Z. Exercise 7.1, question number 3. Draw a line segment XY, then draw 2 more line segments that have Y as an end point. Now we have drawn XY line segment, and then we will draw 2 more line segments. So we will start from Y, because they have written Y as an end point. So we have to draw from Y. This is, we can write the name A. So this is AY, and we can write B here. This is BY. So in this way we will draw the line segment. Draw a line segment AB. Mark a point O between A and B. So I have drawn line segment AB and mark a point O. I have marked the point O between A and B. Between A and B, O point. Then draw a ray OC. So we will start from O. We will draw ray OC. So this is the ray OC. 5. Name the different rays contained in the line given below. Now we will write the rays from this ray. So X, from the point X to Z, we will write ray XZ. Then from point Y to Z, this is ray YZ. Now question number 6 is, draw lines AB, CD and EF so that they are concurrent at a point O. So we will take point O and we will draw line AB. So this is a line, we will put arrows and we will write line AB. Now line CD. This is line CD. Then line EF. We will put arrows because these are lines. So we will write EF. In the center we will take point O. So we have drawn line AB, CD and EF. All are passing through the point O. So these are concurrent lines. Thank you and have a nice day.